Has workplace morale seen a decline in the Trump era? This question has been on the minds of many as we observe a phenomenon known as the Trump effect seeping into our professional lives. This effect, according to HR and leadership experts, has normalized bad behavior in workplaces, ranging from spreading false rumors about coworkers to outright lying. Gary Namey, director and co-founder of the Workplace Bullying Institute, suggests that this trend is exposing the darker side of our society. It's as if a new rule book has been written, one that encourages unethical actions and stifles teamwork. Roy Cohen, a career counselor, echoes this sentiment, stating that the Trump effect allows individuals to justify bad behavior, turning it almost into a badge of honor. This shift is not just concerning, it's alarming. The Trump effect seems to be reshaping the norms of professional behavior, but at what cost? How have these changes in workplace behavior affected HR professionals and their responsibilities? It's a question that we find ourselves asking in the wake of the so-called Trump effect. Let's take a look at the experiences of HR professionals like Mike Letizia, president of Letizia HR Solutions Inc. He's noticed a shift in the workplace, a shift that's not just unsettling but also challenging to manage. Employees are exhibiting behaviors that are far from professional, creating an environment that's less about collaboration and more about confrontation. This isn't just about the occasional disagreement or heated discussion. It's about a fundamental shift in the way people are interacting with each other. A shift that's marked by a disregard for the norms and niceties that once defined our workplaces. The impact of this shift on productivity is significant. When employees are more focused on spreading false rumors than they are on their work, productivity suffers. The sense of teamwork that's crucial to any successful business is replaced by a culture of suspicion and mistrust. But it's not just productivity that's taking a hit. Morale, too, is being affected. The workplace is no longer a place where people feel respected and valued. Instead, it's becoming an arena for bullying and borderline abusive behavior. The result? A workforce that's disengaged and demotivated. This puts HR professionals in a difficult position. They're having to deal with an increasing number of interpersonal issues that are often complex and deeply ingrained. And it's not just about resolving these issues, it's about trying to rebuild a culture of respect and professionalism, a culture that's been eroded by the Trump effect. The current political climate, however, does not set the standard for professional behavior. That's a message that HR professionals like Letizia are having to reinforce time and time again. It's a challenging task, but it's one that's crucial if we're to restore the values that once defined our workplaces. It seems that HR professionals are facing a new set of challenges in managing the Trump effect in the workplace. What could be driving this shift in workplace norms, and what are its consequences? Well, social cognitive theory might hold the key to understanding this phenomenon. Seth Spain, an assistant professor of organizational behavior and human resources at the John Molson School of Business at Concordia University, suggests that Donald Trump is inadvertently acting as a negative role model. Employees observe his behavior, see its effectiveness, and subconsciously mirror it. This isn't necessarily a conscious decision. It's more of an unconscious adaptation to the changing societal norms. But why is this happening? People are often guided by the social norms around them. When they see these norms being shattered without apparent repercussions, it might embolden them to push the boundaries of their own behavior. The result? A workplace where the norms and niceties of professional conduct are being slowly eroded. And the consequences? They're far from trivial. As these norms dissolve, we're seeing a rise in negative behaviors that can seriously impact the health of a workplace. Unethical practices, spreading of false rumors, and an overall lack of respect can stifle teamwork, dampen morale, and hurt productivity. It's like a domino effect, where one bad behavior leads to another, creating a toxic environment that's far from conducive to effective work. Moreover, this shift could potentially lead to an increase in workplace conflict. As individuals become more emboldened to act out, it's likely that tensions will rise, leading to more disputes and disagreements. This could further erode workplace harmony and lead to a decrease in overall productivity. As we move forward in this era of the Trump effect, we're left with a crucial question. Are we willing to accept this new norm, or will we strive to uphold the standards of professional conduct that foster a healthy and productive work environment? The answer to this question will shape the future of our workplaces and ultimately, our society.